Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura Micro ENA 9 espresso machine. So for this machine we just did a tune-up and this machine was a little bit dirty, nothing too crazy. Was a lot of coffee built up around here. There was a lot of mold on Roy's part, but not in the brew group. The brew group was a little bit okay. It was a lot of coffee built up as well as always. All juras actually start building up a lot of coffee built up in here, and it will start getting moldy if you don't service them very often. This one wasn't bad, but we really had to disassemble the entire thing, deep clean everything, and replace all the O-rings from the brew unit. And these brew units are a bit harder to actually work on, as they are tinier and smaller than the bigger counterparts, like that one over there. So it's a bit different to service them. But we were able to service them, relubricate them, make sure everything was moving up and down without any issues and no leaks or anything. So as you can see, we already did a couple of coffees in here to test it out. So we're gonna test it out once more, starting with one espresso. Now you've never seen the machine working. The way it works is like this. It grinds the grinder, grinds the coffee, it deposits into this brew unit. The brew unit goes down, compresses that coffee that it actually just grinded. There's a water hose connected right here that pushes the water through here and through this little hose that goes into the cup. And as you can see, it's a nice shot of espresso, excellent color, really great quantity as well. Water for this machine. As you can see, it's a nice heavy stream coming out of it, working really great. And for the steamer, I don't think I'll be able to just test it out, so let's just do a cappuccino. That way we pretty much redo another shot, and we also gonna use the steamer. We do not have the hose, so we will not be able to do anything, but we're gonna be able to test the steamer, as we're gonna see a bunch of steam coming out through the spouts, sorry. That steam, that is very normal, really good pressure for the jura, coming out really nice, excellent temperature as well. I am definitely running on temperature, working really great, sounding excellent, the pressure is great. And now it's going to compress that coffee that you just grinded, and it's going to shoot away again water through the brew unit into this little hose and into the spout. As you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the machine, working really great. Once you finish the brewing process, this thing goes all the way up and it pushes that part into the tray, as you saw over there. And it's ready for the next coffee. So there you have it, Jura ENA Micro 9 working once again. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day. And thanks for watching.